Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 8th, 2019, and I wanted to give you some update on my pansies here, my little pansy seedlings, and I actually just seen something here that I wanted to show you. Let me pull this one here out. Here. And we have our first pansy bloom of 2019. So this is going to be, it looks like one of the yellow or orangish yellow, and then there's going to be, I'm not sure if this is a double, one of the ones that had the double seedlings in or not, but there's another blossom. I've seen this today, so I wanted to show you. So let's see if we have any more under here. Just pull this back here some. And I have been moving this light up. I actually have to move it up a little bit more. Oh, there's another one. I'll pull this one here out. And here we go. Oh, this is going to be a pretty purple and yellow faced one. Oh, they're so pretty. And you can see here, let me move this up to more light here, sorry. You can see here by, when I prune these, it made them a lot bushier. And I have been running my fan down here. Now, I don't have it on right now, for one thing, because I'm doing the videos. And another reason why I don't have it on is I had found some aphid nymphs on another plant that I had brought in to overwinter. And as soon as I seen that, I got the fan turned off so that we didn't spread them anywhere, and I got that plant taken care of with neem oil spray, or I got the plant taken care of with neem oil. I will be doing a video on how to use neem oil on your seedlings and different things, and I'm going to be checking over the rest of my seedlings to make sure that they didn't spread anywhere else, and I'm going to be keeping an eye out for them. And as soon as I know that everything's okay, I'm going to be turning the fan back on to continue getting the airflow circulation. But I've learned from past years' experience that when you see aphids or some type of insect or something like that that shouldn't be there, just get the fan turned off so you don't spread it. Because that happened to me before where it spread. So I'm going to show you my other pansy seedlings. I started some more of them. They're up here. There's some right here. I did some more Swiss Giants. And this is another pack of Swiss Giants. And then the orange sun ones are over here. See, those are growing. I wanted more pansies. My best friend said that she likes pansies. They're the happy faces of spring. So I just want a lot of pansies this year, so I planted more of them. And I used the same method as I used in my other video for how I started my pansies from seed. I decided not to try them in the flats. I just did them in the 6-packs again. And I always keep my pansy seeds in the refrigerator as soon as I get them from whomever I buy them from. These came from Rare Seeds. My seeds here came from Rare Seeds, and I just stuck them in the refrigerator. The packs of pansy seeds in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag. I take them out when I'm going to plant them, and then I stick them back in the Ziploc bag. So let me go around to the other side and see if we have any more. So these are the pansies in the back. Now I didn't see any blooms on these yet, but they are going to be coming. The other ones are coming. These should be coming too. So as these continue to grow and bloom, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. Now one thing you want to do is aphids really like pansies, and so do spider mites. So check your plants over quite frequently to make sure you don't have any issues going on. And you can put use neem oil as a preventative soil drench. I have a link down in the description for neem oil, and I will have a video coming on my channel for how to use neem oil as a soil drench for your seedlings. You mix 1 teaspoon per liter of water, and you want to mix your neem oil with warm water to make sure it mixes up really good for you. And then you can just use it as a soil drench, and the plants will take it up systemically. And then if something bites it or tries to eat it, it should take care of it for you. But it's really good though to just make sure you check your plants over. So today is February the 13th, 2019, and I had showed you that my pansies had started blooming. And you can see one of the blooms here. Let me pull it down. This one's upside down because I moved the plant. And I was moving some stuff around today because I had other seedlings come up, so I was moving my pansies around. And one of the things I want to show you is how to deadhead your pansies to keep them blooming longer. So what I'm actually going to do is, this is the stem. I'm going to spin the plant here. And I am going to follow the stem the whole way down to the base down here for the pansy. And I'm actually just going to break this off with my nail. And you can use a pruners or scissors or something like that. And this will actually keep your pansies blooming. Now, this also works on violas, and it works on most of your annuals. If you keep deadheading them and you don't let the plants go to seed, it will keep your plants blooming. And what actually happens is, with your annuals, is when you let your annuals go to seed, it will signal to the plant that it produces seeds, it's did its job, and it'll stop blooming, and usually then they'll start dying out for you. So by deadheading your plants, you will actually keep them blooming longer. And you can see here there's more blooms coming. You can also feed them, but there's various plant foods out there that you can use to feed your pansies with. You can use Miracle-Gro, all-purpose plant food, or you can use actually a bloom boost. I'll have some links down in the description for some of the different foods. And you can see here's another one over here. Whoops. And you can see there's another one over here that's getting ready to bloom. And I have some more over here. There's an orange one there. It's getting ready to bloom. That's the orange sun. And then the orange one's still blooming in the back there that I had first showed you. Let me take this one out here so I can get to it. Okay, here's the orange one. And this is the orange sun pansy here. This one here fully open. And I'll do the same thing with this one when it's done blooming. Or when it starts to fade, I will take it off so that the plant continues to bloom for me. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and you can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. You can get updates on how seedlings are doing, how different plants are doing, what videos are coming up. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.